Hello, this is Silas Cyclops with another video. This time I'm not going to be playing any games or anything like that. I just thought I might show you this cool thing I've been making. It's a paper airplane. If you're interested in paper airplanes, you should watch this video. So what I'm going to do, so first you just grab a normal piece, a normal piece of paper. Lay it down on the table. First, you fold it in half so it kind of looks like a hot dog bun. A very long hot dog bun. Okay? So, after you do that, hold on, let me do it. So, you're gonna turn out with this thing. Open it, and it almost looks like a weird pamphlet. Okay? Now you take it like this, fold up one corner to the middle, like this. Okay? And of course you can stop whenever you need to. I doubt I had to actually tell you that. And then you do it on the other side. And then I know you might know how to make a paper airplane go like this. Okay, anyway, after I do this, I'm gonna flip it, see how I have this? I take this corner and make it so it's in exact alignment with that. So it comes out with this. Let me get it a little closer. See the line right here? Make it a good crease too. Then you do it on the other side, and sometimes it doesn't line up, but okay, this time it did. Like this. After you do that, you do it again, but this time you don't go all the way into the middle. Actually, wait, no, don't do that, sorry. Do it all the way to the middle, actually. Sorry. Forgot. On both sides. So here, hold on. Let me do this side. So it looks like this, okay? It's okay if these are a little uneven. It happens. Now I just kind of make it a good crease and then fold it in half. Sometimes it's going to be kind of hard, but it's okay how your tip looks. But make it as best you can. I know, it's kind of hard. So after you have this, you start making the wings. So you just kind of fold it down like this. And then you flip it over and try to match it up with that. It kind of takes a long time, but yeah, do your best. And then you'll come up with this. Now, I'm going to pause the video, and I'm going to go outside and show you how far it goes. Okay? Bye for now. Okay, here I am. Have my airplane. The way this is going to work, since my device isn't really work, I'm going to go down the hill a little more and throw it kind of that way. Ready? Let me try that one more time. Sometimes it doesn't quite work as expected, you know, that kind of stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna bring down the camera. I'm gonna show you where I'm standing. And, oops, sorry. And where it landed. Okay, so I was standing right here, okay? Right here. See that thing? That's the paper airplane. This is where I'm standing. Right here. My feet are right here. Follow me. Sorry if it's a little wiggly, but there's my paper airplane. So I hope this was a good tutorial. Maybe I'll do more tutorials later on. Yeah, but paper airplanes are awesome. So, bye!